I found this wool cardigan in Goodwill here in San Francisco on Haight Street, and I already took off one front panel, and I'm going to play around with draping it on my head. So first I see that this edge is already finished, so naturally I'd want to put it on the bottom so I won't have to finish the bottom edge, and I just start wrapping it around my head as if I'm putting a towel around my head after having wet hair. Sometimes the fabric, the material will tell you what it wants to do. So you see it already did that pleat there, so maybe I want that. And then I just start pinning and hopefully don't poke myself. And then I can move it around. Oh, that's kind of cool, the way it's laying like that. You see there's a pocket there. I could take this part and put it underneath this one and put this on top to show that there's a pocket. So you can see that it's actually upcycled and not store-bought material. I could tuck this in to make it a normal height for a hat. That's kind of cute, right? And then I could pin this here. So that's one option. Let's put another pin here. It's kind of like a turban here, a cloche here, a toque here.